Welcome back, Bulldogs. You've seen us around. We're here, we're there, walking these halls, sporting professional looks. From the lights and the actions and the talk shows to podcasts, we are the Bulldog Press. We are the only high school media staff that's attended Utah Governor Spencer Cox's monthly news conference.
In your One Utah roadmap, you state that you will increase funding and address disparities to support students. Can you say more about how you have addressed disparities to support students and how you can make education more affordable?
Yeah, thank you, Brianna, and it's great to see you.
Do you think the legislator will be willing to put restrictions on the amount of water per household? Do you think they'll be open to that idea?
So what we're seeing now and what some of these bills that we're running now, first of all, is to have the state use less water.
We've also appeared at basketball games, like when Taya Sidbury broke the Utah record for most points scored.
Have the tall with the layup, no good.
Oh, we got Taya bringing it up! Congratulations to Taya Sidbury. This is an amazing moment for Iron Judge. We got tears on the floor. She's number 32 on the court.
Wild shot there from Richfield. 10 seconds left. The Bulldogs are going to wrap this season up, remain undefeated, and become state champions.
But girls basketball isn't the only state champions this winter.
If I could just relive every moment with my team just talking, laughing, crying, whatever it may be, eating, I wish I could just be with them one more year. And it's unfortunate, but every good thing has to come to an end.
The swim team is the best team that I've ever been involved in. The people on it are incredible. The coaches are awesome. It's my favorite thing to do after school, and the community that we've built as a team is just really positive, really healthy, and I've met most of my best friends through that team.
The Judge Memorial cheer team has had a very exciting year. The 2021-2022 school year is the first year the cheer team has done competitive cheerleading, and the future is looking to be very, very bright. The captains of the team, Ren Walker and Neve Scholar, and the rest of the team finished in 6th place at Nationals.
This past week was the end for this year's main stage play, The Seeker and the Wings.
Jazz band just came back from festival where they did really, really well. And keep on the lookout for any notifications about the jazz band concert on May 5th.
We have winter dance concert coming up in about a month here on April 28th and 30th, so keep an eye out for that.
In other news, senior Araxan Olivares won the Utah Regional Poetry Out Loud competition, beating out students in the Salt Lake, Park City, and Tooele area. He now moves on to the state competition. Good luck, Ace. And finally, we've documented the many ways Judge students are learning and playing outside of school. Thanks for watching, and keep being awesome, Bulldogs.